Hello. Hi,
Hi,
madam.
hi. Can
How
you
are
hear
you?
me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Great. I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good.
That's wonderful. How was your day?
Yeah, day was hectic, very hectic. Like lot of work. I need to like have completed the work, and yeah, it was
Uh-huh.
hectic day.
All right. Fridays can be very hectic because they're near the weekend, so people wind up their
Yeah.
work,
Yes. Yes.
right?
Yes.
Okay, so how are you planning to relax now after a hectic day?
I need to watch some movies or like that.
Uh, will you say I need to watch or I would like to watch?
I would like to watch.
Yes, correct.
Yes.
Because need shows a necessity, but there's no necessity. It's just a
Yes.
wish,
Yes. Wish. Yeah.
right? Okay, so which movie or any show you'll watch? Because I remember you've completed the show that you were watching.
Yes. Yes.
So what
Yeah.
will you watch?
I'm looking for the Big Bang Theory or Friends.
All right, that's it. I'm looking forward to,
Yeah, I'm looking forward to. Yeah.
right? Okay, great. So, what would you like to talk about today?
I don't know.
Uh-huh.
Just now, like half an hour back only, I came from the office. Like I am completely blank.
No problem, no problem. We do have a topic for the day. That is what the topics are for.
Yeah, yeah. Topic
Uh,
is superheroes, right?
yes, topic
Related.
is superheroes. And there
Yeah.
are some interesting prompts here
Okay.
which we can pick up on.
Sure, sure.
So, let's start it on a lighter note. Yeah, so
Okay.
what does superpower mean to you? What?
Superpower means, yeah, yeah,
No, no, please continue.
yeah. It's a aura. Aura means like no. Suppose any like some superhero coming into the like stage or something. Like some people are standing and give standing ovation. Like
Mm,
like there is a heroism.
yes,
Suppose
yes.
no, yeah, yeah. No, suppose any audio function or movie release function, like hero came to the like no function hall, like
Yes.
all yeah all people are like standing and give a like a cheers to them, cheers to him.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, yeah.
Right. One thing. So when you're telling about this, it should be in
Mhm.
simple present instead of continuous. That where you're saying that all people will be doing this. So you
Mhm.
simply said all people stand up and cheer him. Instead of saying
Yes,
all
yes.
people are cheering him, you simply said all people stand up and cheer him.
Okay.
Okay. Use simple present tense because it's a casual thing,
Yes, yes.
right?
Yeah. And one more thing is like whenever no, yeah.
Yeah.
Suppose some person say anything to the people, like people follow, no, follow him.
Uh-huh.
Suppose Narendra Modi pass any statement like, no, today lockdown, people stay in the home only. Then people follow the words.
All right. So are you saying Narendra Modi is a superhero?
Yeah, we can say Narendra Modi is a super.
Okay. So from what I understand, I think
Yeah.
that you mean somebody who has an influence
Yes,
over
yes,
people is a superhero,
yes,
right? So even a celebrity can be superhero in that
yes,
case,
yes, yes,
right?
yes.
Okay. Which celebrity do you think has a great influence on people in India?
In India, like no, Swami Vivekananda, I think.
We won't call him a celebrity. He's a historic figure. Celebrity
Uh,
is somebody who's famous.
he is a famous, no. Whenever he went to US and he gave a speech on the US stage, then only like everybody got to
Mm,
know. No, most of the like,
See,
yeah,
that
yeah,
that is correct. He is an he was an influential personality. But
okay,
celebrities are people who are famous like people who are famous in sports or people who are famous through movies. Uh, they are
okay,
usually called celebrities.
No, I don't think so. That is correct.
I have.
Celebrity means like no APJ Abdul Kalam is like no, it's very famous in like he's a very famous scientist. He's also celebrity. But
I'm a little conflicted on that.
yeah, I know you don't understand, but you have to ask in a particular area. Suppose which is a celebrity you like in a movie, so that I can say movie stars. But you are asking me a general question.
Yes, I was asking in general that which celebrity in today's time has a very strong influence in people.
Celebrity means like the politician also, but Narendra Modi is a
Yeah, see, Narendra Modi is correct. But
yeah.
again, Vivekanand is a historic figure. He's a historic personality
Okay.
from way long back. That this is my understanding. What I have seen, celebrity is a word that is used otherwise. I'll just check it, to avoid any confusion.
Please check.
Because from how I understand, celebrities are people who are popular in certain fields. Well, Vivekananda was like a.
Yeah, popular is in his field also, in a spiritual field.
Hmm, I'll just check for the exact definition. Maybe that'll help us sort this out.
Yeah.
Celebrity meaning. Um. Oh yes. So here the definition of celebrity is a famous person, especially in entertainment or sport.
Okay. In that case, yeah.
Right.
Yeah, Sachin Tendulkar, like for me. Sachin Tendulkar.
Yeah, so see, he's a celebrity. So, that's why celebrity is a word which is primarily used for people in entertainment and sports.
Okay.
While Vivekanand, yes, he's an extremely influential personality. So is APJ
Yes.
Abdul Kalam. But they're
Okay.
usually called political figures or
Okay.
influential personalities.
Okay.
They
Okay.
do not necessarily come under celebrities,
Okay. Okay. I
right?
think yeah, this is the correct word. Entertainment and sports field. Yeah.
It's very specific.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Okay.
that helps in understanding it better.
Sure. Sure. Thank you for clarification.
Oh, thank you for helping me clarify it as well. We both, learned something through it.
Yeah, yes. Yes.
Absolutely. Yes. So, were you a fan of Sachin Tendulkar's sport when you were a child?
Yes. Yes. I am. Whenever I'm a child, like I'm a huge fan of him.
I was when I was a
Ah,
child. I
yeah.
was a huge fan
And
of his
yeah.
his sport.
Yes. Yes.
Absolutely. I remember there was a movie made on Sachin Tendulkar. I think it was his biography or documentary. Did you happen to watch it?
No, I didn't watch that movie.
All right. So, do you use the sentence "Did you happen" or "Did you happen to know this"? Do you use it a lot?
No. No.
So,
1 minute, please.
sure.
అమ్మ వస్తాను 5 minutes ఉండు. Yes, madam. Yes.
Yes. And do you understand the meaning when somebody says "happen"? Like, do you happen to know this?
Yeah, happen means like you know this or not, right?
Yes, like by chance, or like, do you think you know this? Like, do you happen to know that person from somewhere? Or did you happen to watch that movie? That's how it is used.
Okay.
When you're not
Yeah.
sure about something that the other person knows it or not, that
Okay.
is when you can like say this. Like you're taking a chance by asking, "Do you happen to know this?"
Do you happen to know this? Okay.
Yes. Suppose you're working in your office and there's a
Okay.
program that you're not able to operate. So you ask your
Okay.
colleague, "Do you happen to know how to work on this?"
Okay.
So you use happen when you're like taking a chance that maybe this person knows, maybe the person doesn't.
Okay.
That is when it's used.
Okay.
All right. So we can move on to the next question with that. The next question is, what would you use? What would you use your super? All right. What superpower would you like to have? It could be anything.
Superpower.
A superpower that you would like to have.
Yeah, like I want to eradicate the corruption in India. Corruption.
That's very sweet and very kind.
Like there are so many poor people are very suffering. Like money is only is there in the lot of no politicians only. They
Yes,
it is stuck in some persons.
it is
But
accumulated by the rich.
yes, yes, accumulated by the rich. I want
And
to spread it to poor people who is needy for the money.
you can say, I
Who is
want to
needy?
evenly distribute it.
Yes, yes,
Okay, evenly distribute.
yes.
Do you understand the meaning of accumulated?
Accumulated means it is there with the rich people.
Yes, it's
Accumulated
collected.
means it collected. Yes,
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 yes, absolutely. So you
yes,
want to be able to uh, eliminate or eradicate is the word you
yeah,
can say. Eradicate poverty.
yes. Eradicate the poverty.
Not the poverty, just poverty.
Poverty. Okay.
Because it's not specific about a certain kind of poverty. We're just talking about poverty in general of money.
Yes,
Right?
yes.
All right. So okay, let's move to the next question.
Sure.
Or before that, do you think that poverty is something that can be in fact absolutely eliminated from society? 100%?
100% I'm not sure, but something will happen.
There is
Some
scope
changes
for.
will happen. There is a scope.
Uh-huh. All right. So you don't have the superpower now, but if you can, how would you, contribute to it in your own capacity? How would you like to contribute to eradication of poverty?
No, if I don't have a superpower, suppose like I learn much more. I'm earning something, right? Like I earn more in my future, and whatever I get the money for my business or my job, 10% I'm going to distribute. I'm going to do charity for those
Uh-huh.
who are needy.
All right. Donate for the needy.
Yeah, yeah, donate for the needy.
That's great. That is something that I also hope to do in future. Do you know?
Okay.
Donate at
Yeah.
least some percentage
Yes,
from
yes,
what we earn.
yes,
Right. And make it a habit, because otherwise nothing will ever be enough for us.
yes, yes, yes.
Definitely. All right. So let's move to the next question. Do you have a favorite fictional superhero, as in a cartoon character or a movie character?
Yeah, I have a hero of
Hmm.
Elon Musk is my real time superhero. Elon Musk.
Real life. Instead of saying real time, real life.
Yeah, real life superhero.
How? I'd love to know why.
No, he never stopped by his failures. He keeps
All
working
right.
on. Yeah, nowadays he's working on AI. Nowadays, he's sending reusable rockets
Uh-huh.
and
Okay.
electric cars and using artificial intelligence in cars and
Mm-hmm.
auto drive cars means self drive cars means
Self-driven?
yeah, self driven cars.
All right.
Yeah, without driver also they can move, they
They're
can
driven.
operate. Yeah, they're driven.
Oh, all
He
right.
Yeah, and Starlink also he introduced. No, in villages also we will get internet. No, he
He
thinks very
introduced what?
uh, like uh, star he introduced some Starlink like that. Starlink.
All right. Okay. What does it
No,
do?
what is means it is like a internet provider, service provider.
Okay. All right.
Okay, suppose
Uh,
it revolves. Satellites are revolve around the Earth 24/7.
yes.
Okay, in villages also we get a pro like no. like good internet connection.
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes. So with his internet service, even in
Yes,
villages, connection would be provided.
yeah, connection will be provided with high speed internet connection.
All right. Okay.
Yeah, nowadays it was not there, like it was not there.
Mm-hmm.
In the future, maybe yeah, he is always thinking for the future generations, and he thoughts always future is there in the futuristically, like he
Uh-huh.
thinks about the future always.
Right, right. Uh,
Yeah.
that's wonderful. So you're inspired by his hard work and his thought process.
Yes, yes, I really inspired by his thought process.
All right. So what qualities of Elon Musk would you like to imbibe in your personal life?
Yeah. No, in 2008, I think so, when he got divorced, like he went to a lot of struggles, and in the in the stage of like his company was in a stage of like bankruptcy stage. Like
All right.
no,
You can say it was on the verge of bankruptcy.
yeah, it was the verge of the bankruptcy. Okay, in that
Yes.
time, he is running three like two companies, but
He was.
he was running two companies, but he
Uh-huh.
didn't give up. He didn't like sold any of his company. Like no, he's working very hard.
Mm-hmm.
After 2 or 3 years, like he became success. He got
Mm-hmm.
success.
He became successful.
Yeah, he became successful. No,
Just one more
never.
thing.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
yeah. Please, please.
No, no, please continue. I'll point it out
Yeah,
later.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
He has a attitude of never give up. Never give up attitude.
Okay, of never giving up.
Yes.
Right. That's wonderful. He has very strong grit and will to do things.
Yes. Yes.
Right. So the thing that I was pointing out was that in a sentence you said he didn't sold any of his companies. Would you like to
Okay.
correct it yourself?
He didn't sell any of his company.
Yes, he didn't sell any of the companies.
Yes.
Correct. Right. It's okay. These are mistakes that one can make, while speaking, even if they are aware of it.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So he's your real life superhero, but do you have any fictional superhero that you like? For
Fix-
example, there's Krish, there's Batman, Shaktiman, all these superheroes. Any superhero that you really like?
I like Joker very much, but he's a super villain.
Yeah, he's a super villain.
But I
What do
like
you like about
Joker.
him?
Yeah. No, in his childhood, he struggles a lot. Everybody irritates him. No, he faces a lot of struggles.
Everybody teases him.
Yeah, everybody teaches him, and
All. Uh-huh.
then yeah, like he thought of taking a revenge for them.
Uh, Okay, he thought of taking revenge from
Yeah,
them.
yeah, from them.
All right. So was he able to take the revenge? I
Yes,
haven't seen
yes.
the movie, so I don't know.
Please watch
I should,
Joker.
I feel like I haven't watched anything good in a very long time.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. The final scene you will never forget.
Don't give me spoilers
Okay, okay.
because I have a lot of work and I may not watch it for a long time. But
Okay,
still.
okay. Good. Like,
Okay. Uh, uh,
he smiles very nicely. I like his smile and
Thank you
his
so much.
attitude.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
So I have heard that, despite being a villain,
Okay.
Joker had a lot of nice qualities. Is it
Yes,
true?
yes. Yes, yes.
What were the nice qualities that you could notice?
Yeah, he's very sensitive at that heart inside.
All right.
Yeah, he feels very much.
Uh-huh. So, when is it depicted? When is his sensitiveness depicted in the movie? Any particular scene that you can share?
Yeah, yeah. Like any particular means like he felt like whenever he done anything wrong, like he went to his room and he checked himself.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah. He's very introvert by
Uh-huh.
nature. Yeah.
All right. I'll tell you a sentence you spoke. Whenever
Yeah.
he done something wrong, he went to
Yeah.
his room. There's something wrong in this sentence. Would you like to correct it? You said whenever he done something wrong, and we're talking about past tense.
Yeah.
So
Whenever he done something wrong. Okay.
whenever he done something wrong, something is wrong in this sentence. We're talking about past tense.
Okay. Okay. Whenever
So he
he done.
he did something wrong,
Okay. Okay. He did something wrong. Okay.
right? Because past tense of done or do is did,
Okay. Okay.
right? So whenever he did
Yes.
something wrong, he went to his room and cried, I think,
Yeah. 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 He tried.
right?
Yes.
Okay, then. So let's see what are the other questions. Uh, if superheroes, oh, this is nice. If superheroes turn into supervillains, how would you protect the planet? This is a very vague and hypothetical question.
Okay. Whenever heroes became a super villains, right?
Yes. So how will you save the planet? It's like it's a question you ask from, a 10-year-old. It's kind of silly.
Yes. Yes.
But
No.
how would you save them?
We need to escape. We can't save from them. Like they are having a maybe they have a lot of they had a lot of powers.
That's
We
true.
need
Yes.
whenever opposite is very strong, we need to
Uh-huh.
escape from them.
Oh, but okay, that's nice. But instead of saying whenever the opposite, you will say whenever the opponent.
Yeah, whenever the opponent is very strong, and we need to check our capabilities. We can face it or not.
That's very practical of you to say.
Yes, yes. No, then right way is we need to escape from the war field.
That
Yeah,
it sounds.
I learned it from Bhagavad Gita. I narrated to you.
It's from Bhagavad Gita.
Yes, yes.
Wow, that's very funny. It's written in Bhagavad Gita when opponent is strong, you should escape.
Yes, yes, it is there. No,
Wow.
some Indra, like Indrudu, some god is there, right? He's a god for all. No, angel. Angel means yeah,
Yeah, angels. Yeah.
angels. He's a god for angels.
Uh-huh.
Some Rakshas do what we call in English. He's a villain. Some villain is there. He's very
Yeah.
stronger than Indra.
He's stronger than Indra.
Indra. I think that Rakshasa is
Bakasur?
yeah, Bakasura, I think so.
All right. Okay.
Bakasura is came to Indra, like he left the like along with the angels and he hid somewhere.
He ran away.
He ran away from
He ran and hid some. He ran away and hid somewhere.
yeah, he ran away and hid somewhere.
Okay. So whenever
I,
the
I
opponent is
recollect
strong,
that concept.
that's good. We should take learnings from such experiences and
Yes,
stories.
yes, yes, yes,
Right. The moral of the story, you run away when the opponent is strong. Don't risk
yes,
your life.
yes, yes, yes.
That's correct. Well, if I had an answer for this question, I would say if all the superheroes turn into supervillains, so I would
Yeah.
try to remind them of their good qualities and turn them back into superheroes.
Okay, that is
Everyone
one way
has,
of doing.
yes, everyone has some good in it,
Okay.
right? So
Oh, good,
maybe
good.
I will try that. You can run away and call for backup in case my plan
Yeah,
fails.
yeah, yeah, yeah. I think you are prepared for this answer.
No, no, I just saw it. It came to
Yeah.
me.
Okay, okay.
No cheating.
No cheating.
Right. All right. So yeah, I mean, these are the set of this was the set of questions we had.
Yeah.
And anything that you want to ask or no?
No, like today I don't know what to talk, but you presented the session in a very much manner. That's very nice.
Thank you for the compliment. That's really great. I think we end up having nice conversations on most of the days.
Yes, yes.
And that's great.
Yeah, yeah.
Other than that, are you doing something like are you reading something, listening to something?
Yeah, I'm watching. I already told you now. I'm watching Netflix series,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
I need to learn some books. Now I need to read some books.
Mm, don't push yourself though. You know, if
Okay.
like a reading book doesn't come naturally to you or you don't enjoy doing it, don't add it up like a task because you already
Okay.
like have a job. You know, you most of
Yes.
the people
Yes.
are helping,
Yes.
so don't have an additional task.
Yes. Yes.
um do try to do things which don't seem like an effort, like you're watching Netflix. It's
Yes. Yes.
enjoyment, it's entertainment plus learning.
Yes. Yes.
Similarly, you can listen to a podcast if you wish to. Like
Okay.
suppose you're coming back home, you're on your way back home, plug in
Yes.
your earplugs and listen to
Okay.
a podcast or whatever
Okay.
genre or field you like. Suppose you like
Okay.
thriller stories, mystery stories,
Okay.
history, anything,
Okay.
something related to technology or Elon Musk, that is
Yes.
also
Yes.
available. You
Yeah.
switch it on, check the podcast on any music app like Spotify,
Yes.
play it like you play music, and play
Yes.
it in English so that you're listening to English, observing how are they making sentences, how they're having conversations, what are the
Yes.
words they're using, and
Yes.
then use those words here. Even when you're watching TV on Netflix,
Yes.
if they
Yeah.
say a sentence or they say a
Yeah.
word that you like, write
Yeah.
it down somewhere or like take a snap of it from subtitles and use it in the session
Okay.
so that you're kind of like putting it into application and memorizing it,
Yes. Yes. That will be helpful.
right?
Yes. Sure.
Okay, then. So we've reached the end of the session. It was lovely having a conversation with you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
All right. Good night.
Good night. And before going to that, happy Christmas
Oh,
advance.
yes, yes. Merry Christmas to you too.
Thank you so much.
All right. Bye.
Bye. Take care.
You too.
Okay. Bye.